really windy right now. Really windy. We are under a severe thunderstorm warning with 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. That's why the sirens are sounding. We're not under a tornado warning, but still. Inside now. Holy crap, it's getting windy. Okay, gonna get inside now. Okay, I am under a severe thunderstorm warning with 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and that's why the sirens sound. Currently downstairs, and just gonna wait out the storm.
A tornado warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following county: Benton, Iowa.
Yeah,
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
I think it's getting windier outside.
The following counties in Iowa, Delaware, Johnson, Lynn, and Washington. Tornado watch number 565 has been
Oh crap. Okay, there we go. Oh geez. Yeah, the winds are getting really bad. Okay. Yeah, it's getting pretty windy. Today's high temperature was 73 degrees, a record high day for December. And honestly, I don't think we've ever had a storm like this in December.
Remains in effect until 8:30 p.m. for the following county: Keokuk, Iowa. A tornado warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following county: Benton, Iowa. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Delaware, Johnson, Lynn, and Washington. Tornado watch number 565 has been issued.
Okay, the storm has now hit. Or it's just about to hit. It is currently really windy. I'm not sure if that's just from the high winds that we've been having all day or if that's just from the storm. I think the storm is coming in though, so yeah. It's really, really windy. Not gonna go outside. Or well, actually no, I am outside, but I'm not gonna be out here for long, that's what I meant to say. But yeah. Pretty bad. Yeah, it's beginning to rain. It's beginning to rain. Ooh, and our neighbor's air conditioner turned on. That's interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna stay inside. Gonna gonna go inside now. I think the storms are coming. Yeah, these are dangerous storms. Surprisingly enough, I'm actually kind of surprised we're getting this because it's freaking December. We usually like average 0 tornadoes a month, or every December, or December averages 0 tornadoes a month. Yeah. Anyways, I'll be back if anything's interesting. Okay, I am now in the storage room. I thought I heard a roar of winds. I'm not sure if that could be potential, maybe a tornado. I don't know. I'm just gonna stay in here just in case. Oh, okay. Power just flickered. Oh. This is bad. One sec. Sorry about that. I'm just calling for my sister. What you hear is the water here. That's just the water here that you hear. But yeah, the power just flickered. Yeah, this is bad. I'll be right back. Okay, we have another severe thunderstorm warning. I'm not sure if this is for my county, but yeah.
Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed.
Grace, get in here.
Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near. Morning sun around 9:05 p.m. Amber around 9:10 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Oakville, Toolsboro, and New Boston. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northwestern Illinois and southeastern and east central Iowa. Take cover now. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northwestern Illinois and southeastern and east central Iowa. The statement is, for the following counties, in Iowa, Benton, Cedar, Delaware, Iowa, Johnson, Jones, Keokuk, Lynn, and Washington. Southwest winds sustain 40 to 50 miles.
Okay, the storms have now passed. It is about 5 minutes, I think, till 10 o'clock. The warning expired around 9:15. But it's a little windy outside though still, which is just from the, these fell down. One sec. Yeah, the reason why the sirens were going off was because of a severe thunderstorm warning. For the rest of the night, winds are expected to gust around 60 to 65 miles per hour. Just wind, no thunderstorms. It has it's actually a lot cooler now, probably because the storm's passed. Yeah, it's pretty windy. But yeah, I'm surprised this kind of thing is happening at this time of the year. I mean it's freaking December. The high today got up to 73, which is, I think, a record high temperature for my area. Yeah, for the rest of the night, winds are supposed to be around 65 miles per hour, or they'll be gusting around 50 or 65 miles per hour. I think from what I've heard, there was a few tornadoes in central Iowa. I don't really think we got anything. All I think we got is just straight line winds. But yeah, yeah, pretty crazy storm. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching.